The success story of George Soros, the beginning, survival and struggle. George Soros was born in Hungary and survived the Nazi occupation during World War II. He arrived in London as a penniless immigrant to fund his education at the London School of Economics. He worked as a railway porter and a restaurant waiter. At that time, he was struggling just to afford food and basic necessities. The turning point. After working in several merchant banks, he moved to New York and eventually started his own hedge fund, Quantum Fund. He was known for his reflexivity theory, which helped him understand market bubbles better than anyone else. The legend, 1992. Soros became world famous on September 16, 1992. Known as Black Wednesday, he realized the British pound was overpriced and took a massive short position against it. In a single day, he made a profit of $1 billion, earning him the title, the man who broke the Bank of England. The legacy, from a struggling immigrant to one of the most powerful investors in history. Soros proved that with deep market analysis and courage, one can change their destiny. Today, he is a billionaire and one of the world's leading philanthropists.